Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Vikas Sharma, Chief Consultant Dermatologist and Director at National Skin Hospital. Here at National Skin Hospital, we have patients from the Tri-City of Chandigarh, Panchkula and Mohali, and also from the adjoining states, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal and even J&K. I did my MD in Dermatology from PGI Chandigarh. Then I was a Senior Registrar at IGMC Shimla. I did my International Fellowship in Dermatology from NSC Singapore, and I'm also International Fellow of American Academy of Dermatology. Friends, on the occasion of Doctor's Day, that is on 1st July, I will be interacting with you through a live webinar session at 7 p.m. on 1st July. I'll be discussing on the challenges in the management of dermatophytosis. This is a very pertinent topic considering the current scenario, as in the dermatology OPDs all over India, not only there has been a significant rise in the incidence of superficial fungal infections, but also the easiest to manage dermatological disorder has now become a very big health hazard, not only for the patients, but also for the dermatologists to treat. Thanks to USP for the initiative and to DocMod for the educational platform.